Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, of course, we have a Dream Team Cup. Yeah, it's only 2 hours left, and actually, this Dream Team Cup means the top four will go to the what is that? The tournament, the DCS tournament, Dream Cup. I don't know, Dream Team Captain Subasa or something. It's a DCS Cup, and the teammate is supposed to be this. It's not the MS2WY. It's not MS2WY. This is the Latin. Yeah, Latin is the best here, from my point of view, and it's still undefeatable. I've tested it out, and it can be beaten even if they are using a cheat to always win. And I use this one to protect our team, and +4. Well, this one is typically like this. Yeah, I make it as much as possible in the plus, and as low and as possible as possible in this position, means 17 only. You know, there is mean. Oh, what is this? Why I don't put this on? Yeah, actually I should put it on maybe. Yeah, I just forget, or I don't know why that things not appeared when I'm about to put it in. But basically that's okay, because we have this guy, and yeah, that's because we have the skill block cancel 2 times, and this guy will apply skill block cancel 1 time for Santana and Pepe. And this Pepe has this price of confused and this auto intercept. This is very useful. This is having auto intercept 80% and inside, so that you can pass, uh and they can use the auto intercept 80%. You just pass, use this guy normal pass or using pass special skill. And yeah, basically you just need to shot it out with this guy. So that your opponent losing their 20%. So you are going to win even if the Caleb cheats you on, or someone doesn't like you. But actually they can still lose you. Uh, well, basically you need to know that they are using the MS2WY, middle school to world youth team. That sounds like this guy. Well, you should know that you should block it out, not to catch it. Block with your defenders. So they are not having like a POC, price of confused fight, as here we are having it too. POC. This is POC, price of confused fight. They removes it and protect against the stats down, the POCF. One shot special kill, but in matchup. So if you want to still have the POC, you need to block it, okay? So that the POC is inactive, but you block it so that he can't shot. And this guy is very dangerous, so that the special skill force increased by 5% each time the player makes the contact with the shot. So, in conclusion, in this game, you should read it very carefully for the superstar things, uh, especially, and you can still win it. So when it's like in the first minute to 20 minutes, so we have 45 minutes in the every what is that every halves we have 45 minutes, and then like the first minute into the 20th minute, we could just shoot it out to reduce the opponent's defenders by 20%, but that's okay. We have something crazy here, plus 5%. FW Brazil, forward Brazil teammates get stat increased by 5%, but it's only happening in the early game. And yeah, we could have it inspire if we have everything is not likely to make this guy passing the ball. We can still use the shot and hold up an inspire, but the inspire is only for the forward basically. But this guy has inspire. This guy has inspire for the goalkeeper. This guy is also having inspire for the goalkeeper. Um, but basically the coolest thing is from this auto intercept, and this is anti auto intercept. The skill block cancel so that middle school to world youth couldn't beat you. And I use this guy. Uh, not this guy. Yeah, it's golden rising sun +2. Yeah, I use this guy. This is agility. This is from either this one and this one, the team skill, so that I got all plus two Latin +2 rising sun. That's whole point. Well, you can see my scores here. So I was about to follow someone from another YouTube channel, but they suggest that middle best player comes from middle school to world youth, since the stats up is insane. But the fact is, I got them 10 and 5. Yeah, only 10 and 5, match 9. So yeah, it's not really well. And then at this first match, I was thinking that's a cheater too. They always win at matchup, but yeah, I still can beat it. Actually, I have to be the guy who could always beat it. Actually, but I don't know the superstar one. So yeah, I should read it carefully. Every superstar, especially forward one. Actually, all superstars should be uh, read because it's the very hard one. Yeah, I could win the matchup, of course. And then this is minus 30 because I leave the game, but I don't intentionally leave the game, but the Caleb did. And then I met the Commando. Yeah, that guy sounds like a cheater. Uh, I don't know. I played like that. He always win. I don't know. He guessing it right. But I should be the guy who wins it actually. And then I play with the middle school to world youth at match and 8 and 9. It sucks. Team is sucks. And then I play with my Latin to beat all of the middle school to world youth. So that, yeah, middle school to world youth is not really worth it against my Latin. Since I always win, I can say it in that way. Uh, yeah. Even if it's a bot who always win, Latin American is the best in the Dream Team Cup, and Dream Team Cup always have what is that? Their own team, so that you don't need to transfer it out from here. You don't to spend any dream balls to get any players out there, like from this. But actually, let's see what we could have here. Like the player is crazy. You can see here. Yeah, this is the world best animation, maybe. Oh my god, not this guy. Yeah, this is the best animation ever. Yeah, and then the pop is there, and then it's blow it up to the goal. Really insane, isn't it? How about the player is so much? I don't know. People say that middle school to world youth is the best, but you know, for my opinion, there's no one is the best in here. So yeah, you can choose Latin, you can choose Europe, you can choose Japan, but basically, yeah, Latin is easier to form because they have Salinas in there. But back then, yeah, I'm not really sure that's going in that way. Basically, you can choose either Latin, Japan, or European team. That's the whole things. If you want to mix it up, yeah, you can just mix it up. And the player here sounds like, I was thinking it's insane, but the goalkeeper his here, that's not lovely. 20,000, 27,000 with only 20%. That's not really right. It inspire is good for our goalkeeper. His skill block cancel is also that much. Very very good guy, but yeah, this guy has this one. Very potential max plus 5%. This guy is crazy, but this guy is from Spain. European. I don't like European because on our team is an American. So much bad American things, Anti block order. They have anti block order, like a lot of them. Well, I was thinking this guy cannot be intercepted, but you can still intercept this guy. Okay, force minus 20% doesn't mean anything. Uh, Nothing's like really that cool. But actually, this guy has something, right? This is only 550. Nothing's cool about the Raphael. Just the Inspire is crazy for your goalkeeper. And what's the update, right? Um, but still, I was thinking that I could get top 100 in the Dream Team Cup. Yeah, I supposed to be in that one, but yeah, hey, it's not good at all. Only 20%. Non-Japan. Oh, this guy has the full power gachop. Yeah, that's the plus 30%. This guy could have like, wow, insane. That's very insane, guy. Yep, this thing is useful, but it's 7 only, but still useful. 7 plus 4. That's crazy for your shield team. And this guy has minus 7%, not even good stat. And 30% or only 20%. Really bad idea. Manfred Margus is quite well this game. So basically, if you want to win uh to conquer everyone in tournament and get the prize, it's not the skill actually. Yeah, I don't know how clubs do that. And how about the skills? You need the skills, of course, like a lot of them. Basically, uh, you need to watch European team. You need to watch the Japanese team. You need to watch the Latin team like very frequent because you cannot make it in a one day. And the preparation is very high because they use like kind of cheat, like always win in the when you are in the edge of winning or losing. So you are either not going to score out or you are going to get scored out. So yeah, that's the bad idea. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.